Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure your Ultra 2 is charged above 50% and your iPhone sits next to it with Bluetooth on. Once done, open the Watch app on iPhone and go to My Watch Photos to choose a synced album. You want a high-resolution image. Crop or edit it in Photos now so composition looks good on a round/large display. This initial sync pushes images to the watch and is the first actionable step toward making a custom face. You can create the photo face either from the iPhone or directly on the Ultra 2. From the iPhone, open Watch app Face Gallery Photos, pick the synced image, then set complications and style. Once happy, tap Add. Alternatively, press and hold the watch face, swipe to New, choose Photo, then pick the transferred image. Make sure to adjust crop and time position so the subject isn't obscured by complications. Choose or resize complications to preserve legibility on the watch screen. You finish by making the photo face active and double-checking that complications and contrast are readable in bright light. If the image doesn't show, return to Watch app Photos and reselect the synced album, then force a sync. You can also restart both devices to clear transient issues. If problems persist, unpair and repair the watch or reset the photos sync. These steps resolve most transfer glitches. Try the restart and resync first before doing a full unpair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.